Guy on your left here. There's one left.
One left?
Yeah, he's in the doorway there. He's like on the left side, shooting outwards.
You got a gun sticking out.
Yeah, you could see it.
Yeah, I see it. You got, ah, shit!
It's one straight forward. It's right in the doorway. It's like right up front. You can see him popping his gun every once in a while. So watch straight forward. Yeah, can you watch that?
Yeah.
While I load?
They all over here on this side.
I'm gonna set that light up for you.
Right
Alright, the light's set up for you. I'm loading.
Oh my God, I got someone. How did I do that? Come this way. Come right here. Come right here. Come right here, because they're going to hit your head.
You guys can see with the light, right?
Yeah, you can see? Fly over there, my God.
Make sure you watch that left.
All right.
I'm loaded.
I gotta get upstairs.
Careful, he's right through the doorway there. You can see his gun sticking right now. He's shooting out. You see his gun? Right at us. He's right there. He's danger close. Surrender, surrender, surrender. All right, he's gonna be gone.
Oh shit, there's someone there.
All right, I'm putting the flashlight up. You're gonna have to give me some time here. There's a guy right in the hallway. I can see his shadow. Yeah, that's them, right there in front of you. You guys better watch that hall. Watch the hall. There's a guy right in the hall here. Watch the hall. Watch the hole. They're going to be coming right now.
I think someone's coming into the hall.
Just watch the hole. Hole, he's right here. Surrender, you're out. Better watch that hole. Watch the hole. Watch the hole. Watch the hole. He's coming up right now.
I'm hit.
All right, our guy's up forward. That's our guy in front. Moving the light. The guy right there. Window. Straight forward.
You'll stand one from that. My back in there. I just went around and got one person. And I came this person's head. It is, oh my god. My heart's right there.
There's one right forward. All right, it's aimed right at the hole. There is one in the hole by the window. He's not there right now. I'm not seeing anything.
Yeah, I don't see him.
But there was somebody there before.
There's no shadow.
Yeah, there's nothing yet. So you're good. I'll keep an eye on it. Unless you want to.
Okay. Sorry.
Somebody in purple right in front. Doorway. Watch the doorway.
Okay.
Purple right in front.
Pistol hits hard. Wow.
Yeah, I think I hit him. But I didn't go out. I heard somebody say ow.
Oh my god, I was just like, a millisecond before death. Oh my god. That's so close.
Fuck, I lost all my ammo. Hey, there's a guy right across, right here, on the right, in their spawn. He's shooting. You see him?
Yes, yes.
I'll watch there.
Alright, everybody, pause. Stop shooting. There we go. You don't have to move. You stop shooting. Whoever's back there behind the exit sign, please come out. Let me see you.
Behind the exit sign.
Hold on. Everybody, stay where they at. Don't shoot me. Stay where you are. Don't move. Mask on. You look in with the ammo. Just try to compete.
Who are they looking for?
I don't know. They said something about somebody behind the exit.
All right. We're not by the exit, are we? Who are they looking for?
Safety on? Is the game over?
I got a ton of them in front of me here. I'm not gonna have enough ammo to take them down.
Dude, if the game was like, if the game started, I would have lived it.
What are we doing? Huh? The what?
Do you know what happened?
I have no idea. No, not usually. I don't know. I think somebody might have lifted their mask up. I think somebody lifted their mask up in game.
3, 2, 1, you got 3 minutes. Go.
Going right.
Here we go. 3 minutes. Now, 2 minutes and 30 seconds. Take it out. Seconds. You have 60 seconds. If you guys are ready, the other team, you guys can go line up. 30 seconds, 30 seconds. Here we go, here we go. Come down to the last 30. It's time to get gritty, it's time to get gritty. Oh my god. Oh, what was that? That just clap like that. We watch as the man reloads his pistols one by one. Loaded his bullets into the fucking tail, pushing up 8-9. Cut 8-9, safety off, and fire. Cut. Up top. Mac. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2,